Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two travelers whose phone battery dies while they are visiting a new city. What would you do in this situation? Do not worry. Sarah and Charlie will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy their story. Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two travelers whose phone battery dies while they are visiting a new city. What would you do in this situation? Do not worry. Sarah and Charlie will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy their story.
Oh no, the phone just turned off.
What? Let me see.
It will not turn on. The battery is dead.
Are you sure? Press the button again.
I tried. Nothing happens.
This is a problem. We need the map.
Yes, we do not know this city.
Do you have a charger with you?
No, I left it at the hotel.
Where are we exactly?
I do not know. We were following the phone.
I have this old map, but it is hard to read.
Can you find our hotel on it?
The map is very small. I cannot see the street names.
We walked for 30 minutes already.
Yes, and we turned left and right many times.
What should we do now?
We need help or a place to charge the phone.
Let me think. What are our options?
We can ask someone for directions.
Good idea. Or we can find a place with electricity.
Yes, like a cafe or a shop.
Most cafes have phone chargers now.
That is true. And we can ask for help there, too.
Perfect. Let us look for a nice cafe.
I can see some shops down the street.
Great. Let us walk that way.
Look, there is a bookstore over there.
And I can see a coffee shop next to it.
Which one should we try first?
The coffee shop looks busy. That is good.
Yes, busy places usually help tourists.
And they definitely have electricity for coffee machines.
True. Coffee shops always have phone chargers.
Let us go inside and ask politely.
I hope they speak English clearly.
This cafe looks very nice and friendly.
I can see people inside with laptops and phones.
Perfect. That means they have charging stations.
Should we go in now?
Yes, let us be polite and explain our situation.
I will ask about a phone charger first.
And then we can ask for directions too.
Maybe we should buy some coffee as well.
Of course. We want to be good customers.
Excuse me, can you help us?
Our phone battery died and we are lost.
Do you have a phone charger we can use?
We are happy to buy coffee while we wait.
We just need to charge it for a few minutes.
And maybe you can help us with directions?
We are looking for the Grand Hotel downtown.
We walked here but got lost without GPS.
Can we sit at a table near the charging station?
The person here is very kind and helpful.
Yes, and look, they drew us a simple map.
Perfect. The hotel is only 10 minutes from here.
And the phone is charging now. See the green light?
Excellent. How long does it need to charge?
Maybe 5 or 10 minutes for basic functions.
That is enough time to enjoy our coffee.
This coffee smells really good too.
I am so happy we found this place.
This is actually nice. We can relax for a moment.
Yes, sometimes problems lead to good discoveries.
I would never have found this cafe normally.
Me too. The coffee here is really delicious.
And the people are so friendly and patient.
Look, the phone battery is at 20% now.
That is enough to get back to the hotel.
Should we stay a little longer?
Yes, let us finish our coffee first.
Great! The phone is working again now.
Perfect timing. Can you see the map clearly?
Yes, and it shows our exact location.
Where is our hotel from here?
It is very close, just 2 streets to the north.
That matches the hand-drawn map they gave us.
The GPS says it is a 7-minute walk.
Wonderful. Should we save this location?
Good idea. We might want to come back here.
Let me understand the route. We go straight first?
Yes, straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
And after that?
Then left at the big intersection with traffic lights.
The hotel should be on the left side, correct?
Exactly. The GPS shows it very clearly now.
This is much easier than the paper map.
But the paper map helped us understand the area better.
That is true. Both methods are useful.
Thank you so much for your help today.
Yes, you saved our day. We really appreciate it.
The coffee was excellent and the service was perfect.
And thank you for the hand-drawn map, too.
We will definitely come back to this cafe.
Maybe tomorrow morning for breakfast?
That sounds like a great plan.
Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, and thank you again for everything.
There it is, the Grand Hotel, exactly where it should be.
Perfect. The directions were completely accurate.
7 minutes, just like the GPS said.
I am so happy we found that cafe.
Me too. It turned a problem into a nice experience.
And now we know a good place for coffee tomorrow.
Plus, we learned to always carry a phone charger.
And maybe keep a paper map as backup too.
Good idea. Now let us go inside and rest.